AI-generated videos are helping many YouTubers and content creators to gain massive growth like never before. In this 5-minute AI video editing tutorial, I will show you how to create your own AI-generated video content quickly and easily. So, let's get started. Part 1. Runway AI Registration. To start using Runway AI, you need a Runway AI account. You can find Runway AI link in this video description.
Part 2. Preparing the video. Before editing our video using Runway AI, let's prepare it. In this example, I'm using techsmith Camtasia video editing software, but you can use any video editor. Import your video. For this example, I will use a 18-second video and divide it into 7 parts using the cut function. Now export second part and repeat the same process for the 4th and 6th parts. Part 3. Video to AI animation. Now click on Try Runway for Free button and log into your Runway AI dashboard. Click the Generate Video button, select the video to video option here. Now click on Upload button and upload the second part that we need to convert into AI animated video. After that, you can provide the prompt or select the video style from provided presets. For this part, we are selecting Android preset and clicking on Generate Video. Wait for the generation process. No, we will convert 4th part. This time we need anime effect in the video output, so we are typing the prompt as anime in the prompt section. Click on Generate Video and wait for the process to complete. We will repeat the same process for 6th part as well. This time we will select Cloud Square Effect for the video output. Now we have all 3 video parts with different AI animation styles. Part 4. Finishing now, go back to your video editor and import all the AI-generated videos. Replace the 2nd, 4th, and 6th parts of your original video with the AI video versions. Add dissolve transitions to each part in the transition menu.
Export your final video. Here is the result from this AI video editing tutorial.
Years ago, it wouldn't be wandering now from door to door. Why don't you do right like some other men do? Get out of here, get me somebody to.
Make sure you hit the subscribe and notification buttons. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. See you in the next AI video editing tutorial. Bye-bye.